This instructional video will demonstrate how to set up your new Kyocera M2040dn printer. Open the box and locate the bag that contains the manuals and DVD. Place the machine on a flat, level surface. Push this button to open the front cover and carefully remove the yellow procedure sheet by peeling off the red tape. Press this blue button on the right-hand corner to unlock the container and remove by pulling it straight out of the machine. Shake the toner back and forth 5 or 6 times. Grasp the container at this location and insert it into the printer and rotate the cartridge up until these 2 arrows are pointing towards each other. You should hear an audible confirmation click. Close the front cover. Wait until the machine comes to ready. This could take several minutes, so please be patient. It is now time to power on the machine. Select between the Power On and Wired Network Installation video or Power On and USB Installation video.